Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about why hardworking people still fail in the tech career. You work hard, you study daily, you watch tutorial for hour, but still no job, no progress. Why? So in this video I will explain why hardworking people still fail in tech and what actually work. Let's be honest. Work hard is important, but hard work alone is not enough. If you work hard on the wrong time, wrong thing, wrong time, you will still fail. Okay, so mistake. Mistake number one, you are doing only watching tutorial. Many people do this, watch videos all the day, but never build anything. This is called the tutorial trap. You feel productive, but you are not improving. Okay, and mistake two, no real project. Company don't care how many video you watch. They care about what you build. No project equals to no proof. No proof equals to no job, guys. And mistake number is three, copy paste learning. If you just copy code, you don't understand it. And in interview at you get stuck. Understanding is greater than copying. And mistake 4, no clear goal. Some people try everything. Web development, data science and AI. What they master nothing. Focus on one path. Okay, mistake number 5, no consistency. Hard work for today, then nothing for a week. This doesn't work. Consistency beat motivations. Even 1 hour daily is powerful. Mistake number 6, ignoring network. Many people only focus on coding but don't connect with the other. Opportunity come from the other people and not just a skill. What actually work? So the real formula is learn basic, build project, show your work, stay consistent, focus on one goal. This is smart work. Okay, and don't just work hard, work smart, because in tech result matter more than the effort. Okay, so fix these mistakes and your progress will change. Subscribe for more tech advice. Bye bye, take care.